Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to fix 6-digit code not received on Facebook. So if you have not been receiving any codes on Facebook while resetting your password or anything, and you don't know how to fix it, then this video is for you. So to get started, first of all, what you gotta do is click on your settings and click on apps and notifications, and then click on Facebook. Now click on storage and clear your cache. Once you do that, go to your Play Store and then search for Turbo VPN and install it on your device. And once you install it, connect it. And once you are done with your connection process, the next time you request a code for the confirmation, you will be start receiving your codes. And that's how easily you can fix if you haven't received any 6-digit code on your Facebook. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.